guys. Okay, I'm starting my day super late. It's 1:30. Congratulations to France for winning the World Cup, I think, or FIFA World Cup. I don't know, I didn't watch it. I just woke up, honestly. I'm supposed to go to the Met today, but the Met we're doing that at 5, so I'm gonna go to the Innisfree. I went the first day, but I was like really fed up and I didn't want to film, so now I'm in a way better space. So I'm going to show you guys Innisfree and just kind of hang out in Koreatown till it's time to head to the Met, which I don't have much time for, but we're doing it. Oh, I should get change. I just want to thank Jesus for giving me the strength not to drop this on my shirt because I almost did. And that's free. Heard they say that love hurts, but does it have to this much? Can you feel it too much? Can it become your crutch? I've heard they say that love hurts, but does it have to this much? So, got myself a cushion. I'm gonna go sit on the side right now. I want to try and go to the face shop too, but we will see. So I'm gonna do a review on it. I got the aqua cushion or whatever. I'm sweating so bad. I got the aqua cushion. I used the matte, so I'm gonna try the aqua one now. Let's see where the face shop is. That's my last thing I'm buying today though, but I'm just gonna look. It's a 17-minute walk, but I have nothing much to do, so I will take it. Is having a sample sale, but they don't have the micro milk magnesia. I don't want to go in. The line was long as fuck. So I just went into the face shop. It's loud. I just went into the face shop, and then I went also into Innisfree, and then I also went into, I remember the name, Nature Republic. So I went into all those three, and we have the face shop in Nature Republic in Houston. New York's face shop in Nature Republic is way better. It's so pretty. While ours is like nice, but it's just like white. While this, like, I feel like they actually took time for the Innisfree and the face shop and everything. They actually took time in like the furniture and stuff like that. But anyway, I only really filmed Innisfree, and even then I filmed it a little bit just because the other shops seemed uncomfortable, and I think I can film in there, but they just looked uncomfortable, so I just stopped because I'm not trying to make people uncomfortable. Now I'm going to the Metropolitan, and I'm gonna meet a friend. It's really cool. Okay guys, so we time jumped. It's actually the next day. That's why I'm wearing a whole different outfit. So I decided this was gonna be my last New York vlog. I am going home tomorrow. I didn't really want to vlog today. I just, you know when you're so depressed that it's gonna end, so you're like, I don't want to really do extra. So I didn't. I'm also super sweaty. It's so hot out here. I thought it would be cute to film out here to end my vlog out here, but it's so hot. I'm about to leave. But basically I had a lot of fun. I went to the Met today, and I saw Heavenly Bodies, you know, the Met Gala outfits. I also met with Van Gogh, which was really cool. He basically told me the story about Van Gogh. He's basically like an impersonator or an actor. I'd much rather say actor than impersonator, but he's basically like an actor, and so he literally looks almost like Van Gogh. Like he could be Van Gogh's son. And he basically just told me the story about him, and I feel like I thought I knew a little bit about Van Gogh, but literally he said so many things, and I was just like, I don't remember any of this. So it was just great really learning about Van Gogh, and also just, you know, listening to his story. I literally cried at the end because he was like so emotional that it got me. It was honestly so good. So yeah, I'm really sad I have to go home. I feel like New York's like the place I need to be. It's like my first home, but I have to leave and go back to work, and I'm literally going back to work. Well, not tomorrow, since I'm going back tomorrow. I'm going back to work the day after. So it's sad, but yeah. So I hope you guys like this. I already know this vlog is also gonna be short too, but yeah, I just lost all inspiration to vlog when I remembered I was going home. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time though. I'm going to Hawaii next month, so vacation vlogs aren't done, but this vacation is. Okay, bye.
Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Get it, get it, get it, get it.